Hey, what's going on, everyone? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about how to make AI videos in 2025 with just one click. Now, these videos you can post on places like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and more. And the best part is all of this is done for you. You don't have to go to do any of the editing. You don't have to add any of the captions, and you don't even have to generate the images. The tool that I'm going to be showing you today does all of this for you with just one click. And the best part is that these videos generate you leads and that generate you sales. I'm going to even give you at the end of this video stuff that you can sell. And if you want me to keep you updated, by the way, with all this stuff I'm doing around AI, make sure you respond with the word yes in the comments right now. It lets me know to keep you updated, and it also helps this video reach more people. Now, I'm also going to be talking about the link in the description, which is digitalplaybook.com. This is a checklist of everything you need to get started step by step with actually starting to earn money online with AI. It gives you through whole step-by-step process if you follow this checklist step by step. Also, different prompts that I use for my short form content that I can post on Facebook and Instagram. Now, this is the list of 130 plus different AI tools so you're able to get paid to promote. And then we also have already done for you short form videos right here that you can start using as well. Get all this in the link below, but now let's go ahead and hop into the video. So the tool that we're talking about is called Blotato, and this tool is game changer in my opinion. So go ahead and sign up, try for free. Once you do, you will get taken to a screen like this. Now, there's a lot of other things you can do with this tool as far as content creation. So one of the other main point besides videos, which I'm going to be talking about later, is creating different prompts and text prompts that you can use for like Twitter and Instagram and a lot of the writing social media platforms, but I'm not going to focus on that. Right here, you can even add different sources to where you want, how you want it to, but videos is where we are going to start. Now, this is game changer, like I just said, and like I said in the intro, because you don't have to do any of the editing. You don't have to do any of the captions. All of this is done for you. So let's go ahead and delete this script, and let's go ahead and go over to my best friend ChatGPT and come up with another script. So simple prompt right here. Simple prompt. Let's go ahead and delete that. Simple prompt. Create me a 100 word script about, let's talk about the Vikings. First thing that came to my mind, how did I spell that wrong? It is not capitalized. So if you have any questions, just like in general, just hop over to the ChatGPT first. So as we can see, if we go back to Blotato right here, it'll literally tell us what to do step by step. So first, write the script. We're going to let ChatGPT do that. Also, you can generate your own script without going to ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT, doesn't matter. Let's go ahead and use this though for the sake of this video. Generate script. So let's just go Vikings at war. Select the style. Fun facts, heads, motivational. Let's go fantasy. Doesn't matter. I like that 30 seconds, whatever, and generate script. Now these are all the different themes: retro, realistic, paint, horror, dystopian. I think we already passed it, but let's go with apocalyptic Vikings. Now for the voiceover, let's go ahead and go with Onyx. These are all different 11 lab voices that we can choose from. And then we're going to enable the voiceover, disable the watermark, and we're going to enable the captions. Bottom, middle, top. Let's go ahead and go with middle this time. And then let's go and generate the draft. So the script in the video, or the script is generated. And what you can see on the left-hand side is it created 7 shots with 7 different image prompts. So what you can do is you can just go through and change anything up if you don't like what the voiceover would be like. I'm going to keep everything the same, 7 credits, and boom. As you can see down below, all of these are generated, and it should take about 28 seconds, 21 seconds. So as you can see that these images are freaking amazing for the amount of time and everything that we're putting into this. It's already generated. We're going to hit export. And like I said in my other videos that I've made, is You normally would have to take this and bring it into CapCut to make all the edits. You would have to go to the 11 Labs to get the voiceover. But now you're doing this all in one centralized area, and the videos look even better than when I would create them with other AI video tools.
Imagine the clash of steel and the roar of warriors. Vikings at war, fierce and unstoppable. They sailed into battle with wild eyes and battle cries. Raiding villages, they took what they wanted, but also forged bonds of brotherhood.
So as you can see, everything looks really nice. Now, no matter what niche or whatever you're in, you can use this stuff to generate a bunch of traffic, a bunch of views, which then you can drive to different links like these and start making money online. So how you make money with these is you would sign up for one of these tools. You can become an affiliate for them, and by using their videos, you can start driving traffic to them. To become an affiliate, you would just create your account, and then if you go down over here to the help section, it pulls up a document where you can scroll down here for affiliates, sign up for the affiliate program, and you will get your own personal link. Now, to actually start making sales, there's a whole process about how to set up a landing page and everything. And if you want to learn how to do that, all of that, I have step-by-step tutorials and the step-by-step checklist in here. But this video, I wanted to stick to talking about this new video tool and how to use it, how to set up, and how useful it is. So that is going to be it for this video, AI pros, and I will see you in the next one.